Hello friends, in this tutorial you will learn the basics of Adobe Illustrator. After opening the Adobe Illustrator, you will see a blank page like this where your works will be recorded. At first you have to choose the file to create new artboard. You can give the size whatever you want. For example, here I have given 980 by 580 pixel in RGB color mode. Create. This is the artboard where you will design something, for example logo or any other graphic design. This is the selection tool you will use almost all time to select something in this artboard. Then the other most important tool is the pen tool. Pen tool is very important. You will use in most cases. Then here is the type tool that you will use to give in the name of your logo and tagline and whatever you want. If you want to write something, you have to select text type tool. Then the other most important tool is the rectangle tool. If you right click, you will see rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse and other shapes. You can choose whatever you want. Then you have another important tool that is called shape builder tool. In most cases you will use this tool, and these are the most important tools of Adobe Illustrator that you will use in most graphic design project. So okay, I would like to take a rectangle here. I would like to give solid color, so make it black from here. Okay, I would like to cut this rectangle just with pen tool. Then in order to cut this rectangle, you have to go object, path, divide object below. Look, this has been cut. Undo move. Okay, I would like to join this two part. So how will I do that? You have to choose shape builder tool. In order to join something, you will always use this shape builder tool. So look how it has been joined. In this way you can join anything. Okay, if you want to change color, you can choose color from this color sources. Then if you want to add some custom color code, you need to go to window. After selecting the rectangle, you need to go to window, then color. Here you can put your custom color code, and after putting that, when you will click here, automatically it will be changed. So for example, okay, maybe my color code is not right. Okay, it's one kind of color code that is giving effect. So in this way you can add any kind of custom color in your design. Okay, for example, you have taken the polygon tool. For example, this is your logo, so you need text, logo name. You can give the size of the text by selecting from here 72 size. For example, RHINO, rhino. make it bigger. You can also give your own size. Rhino. So if you want to give a tagline, then the tagline will always be small, always be smaller than the name. So Rhino, DIGITAL, Rhino Digital. Okay. And horizontal align center. So this is the alignment tool that you will use in most cases. Okay. So I align this. So when you will provide your logo to your client, you must outline your text. So how will you do that? You have to do that by going object, expand. With expand tool, you can create outline of your text. Look, it has been outlined. So for better printing output, you must make your text outlined every time. In this way, you can create whatever you want. And these are the most useful tools of Adobe Illustrator that you will use in most graphic design project. So again, what are these most useful tools? As you will learn as the basics. So selection tool. To do something you have to select. Then the pen tool, then text, then shape, different types of shape, for example rectangle or whatever shape you want you can take. Then the shape builder tool, mind it. Then in order to cut, after selecting something, you have to go object, path, divide object below. For example, I would like to cut this. Look, again object, path, divide object below. So in this way you can cut. For example, after cutting you can give two color, green, lighter green. Look how beautiful this is. In this way you can give any kind of shape of your design. So this is the basics of Adobe Illustrator. Please subscribe GraphicTube and press the bell icon to get updated with other graphic design tutorials. Thank you.